Welcome to Sam and Fang Cooking. Today I'll show you how to make churro dogs. This is a popular street food in Korea. It's a hot dog on a stick wrapped with fresh churro batter, deep fried then covered in cinnamon sugar, mustard, and ketchup. I'll also be making a cheese dip to go with it. To get started, I'll be making the churro batter. Add 230 grams of water to a pot and 130 grams of butter. Bring it to a boil, then add 20 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 150 grams of flour. Keep stirring for around a minute or until it's dried and formed one ball. Add it to a bowl and cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we'll add 3 eggs. Make sure to add one at a time and don't add the next until it's incorporated into the batter. It'll look like it's not coming together, but it will. Add the batter to a piping bag with a star tip. Add half cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon to a large enough dish to coat the churro dogs with. You can half this if you aren't going to coat them all. Get your hot dogs ready. Mine were really long, so I cut them shorter to fit in my fryer. Add a popsicle stick or skewer and pat dry with a paper towel. Pipe the batter around the hot dog like this. Keep even pressure the whole time. Because of the flatness of the popsicle stick, it's a bit hard to turn while holding, so I found it easier to hold the hot dog most of the way until I have to hold the stick. I left the top open and covered the bottom. Fry them at 350 Fahrenheit until golden brown. Place them on a rack to cool. If dipping them in cinnamon sugar, do that right out of the fryer so it sticks easier. I only dipped a couple in the cinnamon sugar because I didn't know how I'd like the cinnamon, but I was impressed. I love the sweet and salty combo. The ketchup and mustard really adds to the flavor too. For the cheese dip, add 1 tablespoon of butter to a pot and let it melt. Then add 1 tablespoon of flour and mix for 30 seconds to cook off the flour taste. Now add 1 cup of milk and bring it to a boil. It will thicken when it's boiled. Turn off the heat and stir in 8 ounces of cheddar cheese. Season with salt to taste. These are also very good dipped in the cheese, with or without the sugar, or just dipped in ketchup like you would a regular corn dog. If you like this kind of food, be sure to check out our other Korean corn dog video and our American style corn dog video. Link will be in the description below. Thanks for watching! Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.